All right, welcome to pycse again. I'm excited to bring you a new publication that I've been working on for a while. It's part one of a series of publications that will help you get into Python for science and engineering applications. So this is a preview of the PDF that you can get, and the link to get it is in the description. And what this booklet is about is really for people who've never used Python or who aren't comfortable with Python to start using Python for typical science and engineering calculations that might happen, say, in the first year of an undergraduate education. So we first start out with a section on using Python as a calculator, including using engineering units, and then talk about how to format the results so they look nice and you can see what they look like. There's a section on basic introduction to linear algebra. That's a common set of problems. And we include some examples of what could go wrong in linear algebra and why you might not find a solution in some cases. There's an introduction to plotting, and that leads into an introduction to nonlinear algebra in Python. And here is where the booklet wraps itself up, and I want to show you what it looks like in a Google Colab. So the PDF is easy to read. You can read it in any PDF reader you want, but the interactive version is where this really shines. So you also get this IPython notebook that you can drag into Google Colab and open, and you see the table of contents over here on the left. So here we can see what the linear algebra section looks like. It gives some review of what linear algebra is, an example that's easy to work out by hand so you can tell that you did the right thing, and then a more comprehensive example that might be a typical unit operation in chemical engineering, and it works out how to solve it, how to set it up, and eventually how to get the solution down here. Similarly, we have nonlinear algebra, some little cartoons that show what the idea is, some of the challenges, including things that could go wrong that you may run across in your own work. All right, so that is basically the video today, is just to show you what kinds of things are in the pycse intro. And there will be a series of publications that follow this one that are on intermediate topics, including calculus, differential equations, statistics, data analysis, and optimization, and then later on in data science and machine learning. So I hope you find this publication helpful, and here is the link that you can use to find it. It's free this month, and I hope you'll come back and try it out. Thanks.